Hello and welcome to the Saudi Building and Infrastructure Awards interviews. My name is Renee Bourne, and on behalf of IBMAR, I am delighted to be joined today by not one, but two gentlemen from Fischer, Saudi Arabia. Welcome Omar Mohammed, Managing Director at Fischer, Saudi Arabia, and Osama Farhat, General Manager at Fischer, Saudi Arabia. Welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you
Thank
very
you,
much.
Renee. Happy to have you here.
Fabulous. I'm going to start with you, Omar, if I can. Could you introduce us to Fischer, Middle East and Africa, and describe the core mission and vision of the company?
Well, so if I have a chance to introduce Fischer, it will be that Fischer Middle East is actually part of the Fischer Group. And Fischer Group has decades of experience in engineering, in construction, in fixing installation in the world. We have more than 75 years experience in the field of fixing systems. About our mission, if I can make a mission statement, it is to make the construction safe, smart, and more efficient. And actually what drives us always is how to not just be a supplier who will deliver a product, but to be a real engineering partner who will provide a complete solution that it will fit with the construction requirement and customer needs. About our vision, we would like to be the most trusted technical partner to the consultant, contractors, and developers in the region. That could be, in short, our vision and mission in the Middle East.
Excellent. Thank you so much for that description. If I can direct my next question to Osama. Fischer provides a wide range of products, including chemical anchors, steel anchors, facade systems, MEP installation systems, and fire stop solutions. Which of these product lines do you believe defines your competitive advantage in the region, and why?
Well, it's a nice question. I think our competitive advantage comes from the system-based solutions, especially in chemicals and in steel anchors. And that's reliable 100% with the Gulf conditions, the humidity, the heat, the temperature outside. And I believe that those steels and chemical anchors combined with our facade systems that give the full solutions to the projects outside in the Middle East. And we proudly offer a complete, high-quality engineering solutions rather than only isolated products. And that's what gives us an edge in the market.
Thank you so much. I can understand why you would have won the award in the category. Omar, can I direct the next question to you? Given the increasing complexity and safety requirements of construction projects in the Gulf region, how does Fischer ensure that its products and services meet the highest quality, compliance, and engineering standards?
It is actually a very critical question, very important question, let me say it. Because for us in Fischer, quality, safety are something where we are never negotiate. It is non-negotiable things. And every day we can see the mega project in the Gulf and especially in Saudi Arabia with the main complexity in the projects, where I can guarantee that nobody in the world even experienced it before. That's put a huge responsibility on us on how to secure the safety, quality during the whole process. So starting, let's say, from the product testing, how we are test and certify our projects. And always we try to, every product is tested according to international standard, like the European testing or European technical approval standard or UL approval or FM approval. These all international ones to make sure that the product itself as a product is qualified. And in Fischer, we have a very, very restrict management quality. That in the quality, we are very restricted that every piece of product is really in a high quality. That's, again, very, very important for us. When it comes to the regional level, we have a very qualified engineering team who are, I can say straight away, they are one of the best in the region, if not in the world, of the engineering supporting the construction fields. And then also we continue our service to our partners, that we train them even after we sell the product, we sell the solution, we give the design, we even train them how to install it in the proper way. So we cover the complete chain, from design to testing to installation and even to verification after installation. And that's how we ensure the quality, we ensure the safety in our product. And that's how our partners are safe because they are dealing with us.
Excellent, thank you so much. If I can direct my next question back to Osama. Fischer offers value-added services beyond product supply, such as technical support, certified training programs, BIM services, and design support. Could you explain how these services contribute to project success and customer satisfaction?
Well, that's true, Renee. Beyond the product supply that we do in Fischer, we actually offer technical guidance, BIM engineering and support, certified trainings that elevate accuracy and efficiency on the project site. So in short, those kind of services that reduce the rework at site, they do the job perfectly from the first time, thanks to the technical supports that we give it on site. And we shorten also the installation time with the subcontractors at job sites. We also strengthen overall customer satisfaction, leading for more customer benefits from utilizing the best features of our products from the first time installation. We also claim that our products, our systems are friendly used and can be installed at all the conditions of the Middle East, safe and fast. We also focused in the future in making it faster and easier, like adding new technology for the smart sensors in Fischer, adding technologies like robotics. Now we're working on that. So we have a roadmap in Fischer to emphasize smarter, greener, and more efficient construction solutions that fits with the Middle East conditions.
Thank you so much for that explanation. If I can direct our closing question, perhaps to both of you. Omar, if you'd like to answer first, and then we could build on the answer with Osama. Looking ahead, what new markets, innovations, or product development is Fischer planning to explore to stay ahead in the very competitive Middle East construction industry?
Okay, well, if we look to the future, how Fischer is looking to the future and where we plan to expand, let's take it in different directions. So the first direction is how to be more and more comply with the regulations in the Middle East region, especially in Saudi Arabia, starting from the localizations and regional manufacturing in the region. That will always support the Vision 2030 of Saudi Arabia. Plus also it will, make them manufacturing more sustainable with low carbon emissions, and even to the customer, it's faster delivery, better availability, which is the supply chain always is a challenge for the construction. But that's not the only thing. The other thing also, we are always focused in the digitalization. How to make our process always internally and externally more digitalization, in sense of, as Osama mentioned, like some service, engineering service, like the BIM libraries, how to increase it more and more, how to increase the engineering solution more and more. And the most fantastic thing, how to make these digitalizations to connect the building to the AutoCAD or to the softwares. Always we have a construction in one side, design in one side, and the connection always is very difficult. So in Fischer, we developed some type of sensors which can connect in real time the building with the softwares or with the computer. So you can measure, you can see your building at a lifetime and even design it, which is something really state of the art and out of the box thinking from Fischer. If we talk about the regions expansions from sales point, I would like to keep it for Osama. He will maybe explain it more.
Fabulous. Over to you, Osama.
Thank you very much. I think we all in Fischer Middle East focus on expanding into major upcoming projects, giga projects in the Middle East, in the Gulf area. While beside that, we are continuing to innovate in digital tools and robotics, as I mentioned. Now we have launched recently the Fischer BioBot, which is a complete robot that can go in the job site and do the drilling job and the fixations with one operator. So instead of having a subcontractor with 100 laborers and technicians, we can replace it with one operator and our Fischer BioBot. That can ensure 100% accuracy of the installations and the drilling job, and ensures time saving in the job site, which is important. We all believe that the speed, the rush is needed in the Middle East. There is a 2030 vision in Saudi Arabia, similar visions in the Gulf countries, and we are behind the time. We're all behind the time to establish those nice projects with the Fisher BioBots, with the digital tools that we are innovating and developing year over year. We believe that Fisher could be the right partner to every single job site in the Middle East. That is in short. In sales, we're dreaming to be bigger and bigger and contribute more into the mega projects and the important iconic projects in the whole Middle East. And we're proudly doing that year over year.
Gentlemen, before we get going, you won the category for Best Fastener Award. Can you tell us a little bit about what makes you the leaders in this category and how it felt to win the award?
Absolutely, it was a proud moment to win such an award, to be the fastener leader for Saudi Arabia in 2025, where I can see that Fisher, especially Fisher, is really deserve it. Because for us, Fisher now has a multiple SBU or product line, much more product lines. However, Fisher still from heart believe and love the fasteners, the anchors. As Mr. Arthur Fisher in 1948 was the first one to innovate the first idea of fixing in the concrete, which is the fastening. So we are still proud. However, the company grow 100 times even more, but still we are proud that we are innovating it. We innovated it. And we are the leaders in the fixing system. And we are always leading the market to the more safe and stable tested products that can be safe in the projects. So it was really a fantastic moment, proud moment, that we are sure that Fisher can do it again and again every year.
Thank you so much, gentlemen, and thank you so much for your time today. It's excellent to get a little bit more perspective into Fisher and the success that is happening across the board for your industry. Thank you so much for your time today, and on behalf of IBMAR, we look forward to seeing you again at our awards this year. Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you. Thank you,
Rini. It was a pleasure meeting you today.
Absolute pleasure. I will definitely see you again.
Sure.
Thank you.